In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Notion. We'll be doing this on the desktop version of Notion, and I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. This is especially helpful if you want to separate personal projects from work or create a dedicated space for a new team or client. Start by opening Notion on your computer and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the very top left corner of the window. There, you'll see the name of your current workspace. This might be your name, your company's name, or whatever you called the space when you first set it up. Go ahead and click on that workspace name. This opens a menu related to your account and all the workspaces connected to it. In that menu, you'll see your email address displayed, along with some options beneath it. Right next to your email, there should be an icon with 3 dots, often shown as a vertical stack of dots. Click on those 3 dots to open an additional set of options. This is where you can manage and switch between workspaces tied to your account. From the drop-down that appears, look for the option labeled Join or Create Workspace. Click that. This tells Notion that you either want to connect to an existing workspace or start a brand new one. A new panel or window will open, listing different ways to join or create. Scroll down through these options until you see the button that says Create Workspace. It might be near the bottom of the list, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling until it appears. Once you find it, click Create Workspace. Now Notion will guide you through a short setup process. You'll be asked a few simple questions, like what you want to use this workspace for, and possibly a name for it, such as personal projects, marketing team, or whatever fits your needs. Take a moment to choose a clear and descriptive name, because this is how you'll recognize it later among your other workspaces. As you move through the prompts, you can usually skip anything that doesn't apply to you, and you can always change details like the workspace name or icon later in the settings. When you're done with the prompts, Notion will create the new workspace and open it for you automatically, ready for you to start adding pages, databases, and templates.